Okay, headed towards the community we're going to look at today, Madera West. This community here, right now I'm at Signal Butte and Queen Creek. It's about half a mile up the road on the south side on Queen Creek Road. We're just passing Madera, which we've looked at previously here in the last couple of weeks. You'll notice here on the south side of the road, brand new Fry's shopping center going in, Fry's Marketplace. That's going to be a hit around here. There's a couple grocery stores around here, including a Costco a little bit east of here, Queen Creek Marketplace a little bit southeast of here. Right across the street here from Madera West that's going in, you're going to see Benjamin Franklin Charter School. This here is a K through 8 charter school. And as we come up on the left, which is the south side of the road, you're going to see Madera West, which here has two builders going into this community, Richmond American Homes and Lennar. Okay, first thing you'll notice about this community coming in is it is a gated community. So that's one big amenity here to being, one big luxury of being in this community is it is gated. The next thing you'll notice is there's RV garages in this community. So something to look forward to, RV garage, gated community, two different builders. So you get a couple, a bunch of different floor plans to choose from. So we're pulling up here at the models and we'll go inside and take a look. We have two floor plans here to model, the Wayfarer II, and we have another floor plan as well. Jason Hubbard Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm standing out front of the Wayfarer floor plan in Queen Creek at Madera West. And in Madera West, there's two builders. Today we're looking at the Lennar model, which again is called the Wayfarer II. This particular floor plan here is 2,175 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the highlight here is it comes with an RV garage. Currently there's a base price $662,990. Of course, as you know, those can change at any time. Lately some of the builders have been doing price increases. This one here, I'm going to show you the outside real quick, and then we'll go ahead, take a walk through and see if you like it. All right, standing outside of the Wayfarer II, looking at that 2-car garage it's a 3-bay tandem, but and then it's got the RV garage there on the side. Nice porch out front. Again, this property here, 2,175 square foot, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Let's take a walk inside. Okay, as you enter this property, lots of upgrades noted, as most model homes are heavily upgraded. Okay, right when you walk in to the left here, you've got a guest bedroom. You got bedroom number 1. This bedroom here comes with its own bathroom. As you come out of bedroom number 1, long hallway, of course, long entryway. To the right here, you're gonna have bathroom number 2 and laundry room right across from it. Coming out of the laundry room and the bathroom, across the hallway here, you've got bedroom number 2. Coming out of bedroom number 2, right across from it, you have bedroom number 3. Standard size bedrooms for this floor plan. As you come into the living room area and the kitchen area, you're gonna notice 10-foot ceilings. Dining area to the left, again, noting that the models are always heavily upgraded. So this is one of the higher upgrade packages. You'll notice here a quartz countertop, upgraded gas range, oven, fan hood, microwave, dishwasher. And here's your pantry area there, and your refrigerator. And notice here, this one has an upgrade option of a wine refrigerator here at the end. Good sized living room. Again, this floor plan, 2,175 square feet. Patio to the outside there sits right off the living room and the dining area. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So good sized master bedroom. Leading into the master bathroom, dual sinks. And nice big closet. Taking another look here at the master bedroom as we come out of the master bathroom. Views into the backyard. Okay, finishing up here at the Wayfarer II plan. Again, I'll reiterate this floor plan here has 2,175 square foot. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan, and it does have the RV garage. We'll go ahead and take a look at the RV garage real quick. Stepping in through the door here, you'll notice in the garage, this is it's got a 3-car tandem garage. And then next to the 3-car tandem garage, it opens up into that RV garage. So tons of space for all kinds of toys in here. You can have the RV here, you can have the boat here. This particular one has a door to the back, but just all kinds of space in here. RV garage nice and tall, of course, as it has to be. Here, I mean, you could do boat storage, you could have your off-road vehicle, you could fit your vehicles in here as well. So again, finishing up here at the Wayfarer II model, Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Just want to touch base on a couple things. When you go to look at new construction homes, you always want to have your agent with you on your first visit. This way the agent can protect you, help get you the best price, help get you the best incentives, and negotiate for you. Without your agent, you'll be able to get a deal with the sales office. You just have to remember that the people in the sales office, they work for the builder, they represent the builder, so they're not there in your best interest. As nice as they are, they will get a deal done for you, but you're likely to get a better deal with a real estate agent representing you. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment down below in the comments section. You can reach me at 480-588-2281. If you get a chance, please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and ring that bell so that you can see future videos as I travel across the valley, going from new home to new home, giving you an idea of what the floor plans look like and helping you any way I can.